I've had some weary days, and some sleepless nights.
My name is Michele Gilmore. I'm a lead supervisor at Verizon Wireless. I live in Hopkins, South Carolina. I've been with Verizon since 2005. My love of music started in the church. Been in church my whole life. I didn't even know I could sing until we got on what's called the Sunbeam Choir in church. And I was given a song to lead and I led it. And I was even surprised myself what came out. And that's what, started my love for singing. I've been singing ever since.
I'm happy.
Used to run track in middle school. And that's how I first hurt my hip. And one day we were doing the hurdles and there was a little hole in the ground. And that's what transpired, my first hip surgery. So eventually, thanks to Verizon, I had to get both of them replaced. The doctor actually, when they ask you who do you work for and everything like that, when he came back with the paperwork, his nurse was like, oh, you have Verizon, or you have the best, so you'll be fine. When I called and spoke with our benefits, they did say that it's covered. I had a bill of $300 and something thousand, and I only had to pay $300 and something. So I am so thankful for Verizon and their benefits, because I don't know what would have happened. I probably would still be paying right now, but thanks to them, I'm good, I'm covered. I do a lot of volunteer work. I have a ministry called Feed My Sheep, and that's mainly working with the homeless. We cook for them and we take the food out there to them. The gratitude is so fulfilling. Working with the homeless is a passion for me, and to be with Verizon and know they share the same values that I have around volunteering and helping others, I think that is a wonderful thing. It shows that they care. It's not just about a number, but it's about a human. I remember my grandmother saying, you could be one check away from being homeless. So don't look down on no one. Make sure you help them. The only time you should look down on someone is when you're lending them a hand to pick them up.